Hi guys, it's me Kiesha, back with another video. I'm doing a seafood boil. I got my water boiling, got my eggs boiling, and now I'm gonna add my seafood. I'm gonna add my crabs, I'm gonna add my shrimps, my corn, my sausages, my eggs, and I'm actually gonna make garlic butter sauce. Stay tuned. Hi you guys, it's me Kiesha, and I'm back to do another video of our seafood boil. I have my water boiling. It's good and hot right now. I have my eggs boiling, and now what I'm gonna do is add everything to the pot. I'm gonna start with my corn since they're semi-frozen. I'm just gonna add these. And you can use fresh corn. I just like using the frozen ones, the really sweet ones. I like these best. And I'll add all of these. Again, you can use any kind you like. This is my preference. And we eat a lot of corn, so I do put a lot of those in the pot. Alright, so after I add my corn, I can start adding my sausages. I pretty much add them whole. Just drop them in there. Drop them whole. After I add that, my shrimp, I like the cooked shrimp. I usually add these last because they're already cooked. So I'll add everything else, I'll let them boil for a while, and then I'll add my shrimp last. Because they only need about 10 or 15 minutes. So then I start adding my crab legs, and I use the clusters like these. Nothing fancy, but these have a lot of good meat in them, from what I'm told. I'm allergic, so I can't eat it. But my family loves it, and I like to see my family happy. Alright, I know I have a lot of new subscribers, so I want to say welcome to everyone who's joined in the last month or two. I hope you stick around. I hope you share my videos with your friends and family. I plan to do more seafood boil. I actually plan to do more cooking actually on my channel. My husband's getting me set up where I could do more cooking in the kitchen, videoing in the kitchen, so that you're not just seeing what I eat, but how I actually make it. So, alright, so now that I got my everything in the pot, I'm gonna let this boil for about 35 to 45 minutes. And then once this boils for about 35-45 minutes, I'll add my shrimp. I'll let that cook for maybe another 10 minutes. I'll add my corn, and then it'll be ready to be put in the pan. We'll be back as soon as this boils, okay? Thanks, bye. Alright, so for my garlic butter sauce, this is what I use. Worcestershire sauce, a little seasoned salt, garlic powder, butter of course, some minced garlic, some parsley, and dark brown sugar. I'm gonna add all this to the pan and start my sauce. I usually make two types of sauces. I usually make just a garlic butter sauce with just some butter and garlic and parsley for those that don't like all the extras. And then I make the other one with all the special ingredients. But this one is my favorite. Alright, so while we're letting that butter melt, we're going to add a little garlic. I like garlic, so I add a lot. If you don't like it as much, you don't have to add as much, but I like it. Alright, this melts. Just going. Again, if this is your first time viewing my video, don't forget to subscribe to my page. Don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified every time I upload one of these wonderful videos. Yes, yes. Alright. Let that simmer. I use parsley. Sometimes I'll use fresh parsley, but today I'm just using some lightly dried organic parsley. And you can use just as much of this as you like. You don't need a whole lot because I just use it for the coloring, not necessarily for the seasoning. So you don't need a whole lot. So while that simmers, I'll keep stirring my pot. In about another 5 minutes, I'll pull these out. My drink of choice today is a red wine. Nothing strong. This is one of my favorites, the Stella Rosa Black. If you haven't tried it, try it. It's very sweet. Next, I'll add a Worcestershire sauce. Gives it that brown coloring and an extra little flavor. You don't need a whole lot. And because I use the salted butter, you don't really need to add any salt. But I use a little garlic powder and just a little bit of Lawry's seasoned salt. But you can use whatever season you like. The kicker to this one is going to be the brown sugar. The brown sugar is what makes this taste extremely good. It gives it that sweet taste that I like. This, you just add as much of this to your liking as well. I don't measure it, but you can't add too much and you can't add too little, so I just usually put a few handfuls. Try to wash my hand in between. Can you guys see inside the pan? Can you see inside? Can you see it, babe? Yeah. Just want to get a nice brown coloring after the brown sugar melts in there. And that's pretty much all I have to do to this. And I just kind of put it on low so that it can just simmer on down. And then I'll move it, add this to a bowl in just a little bit. But that's pretty much done. Alright, I'm going to start panning my crab. These sausages are done. Corn, they're done. But I'm gonna take the rest of these out. I'm gonna put the butter sauce in a bowl, and I'll be back, you guys. Okay? Like to see the finished product. All right, you guys. Everything's done. It's all finished, and it's been panned. We got the crabs, the shrimps, the eggs, the corn, the sausages, and my famous sauce. I'm actually gonna pour the sauce over everything. There we go. Can y'all smell that? I wish I could smell this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It smells so yummy. It smells so yummy. All right. Sprinkle a little parsley. Yeah. Final touch. Voila. Salt bay it. All right, and dinner is served. Team Singleton.